This is Lance with Lance's Auto Vlog, and I'm back with another video. So we got my truck in here, my Ford F150. I'm finally getting time to work on it. Get some sound deadening done on the back doors. As you see, I'm in the back doors. I've already taken the panel apart, and we've done nut certs here for the new blockout plate we're going to put in. So we got a Sounds Good blockout plate. They make a really good product. Mike took the time to put some nut certs for me on this one here for the 6-inch speaker rings. And those are going to be pack rings. So they're bolt in, you know, something like this here. And they'll fit in the factory location. And we'll have nuts to hold that in place. And then we're going to also use a speaker baffle on it to make it sound. The speaker actually protrude and play directly into the actual door itself. But we're here really to do the sound deadening. It's due. I mean, I've been driving around for a long period of time with no sound deadening, and we're just going to get to work on that sound deadening and make a good job of it. We actually took off the connectors here that were here. We actually unplugged them, and then we also put a quick disconnect here so we can reconnect everything directly and maybe even do a speaker upgrade while we're at it. So stay tuned. We'll get to work on that. So all this is wrapped up as far as this goes. We still got to put the speaker adapters back on, do the passenger side, and we still got to put the plate on. I'll show you how that looks. It's gonna be a little bit of foam, and then we're gonna just put that together. It should be pretty good. Nothing complicated. That makes the door a lot better. Only thing you hear rattling is this piece here. So we'll have a video view of this piece on here and the speaker baffle and everything put together for the rears. Part one of the back. Getting done. So we have the blockout plate put in. We use Allen screws for that. Like I said, we had nut certs, Allen screws. This panel makes it solid. One thing you hear is this is driving me nuts. We actually upgraded the baffles in here. Now that I have time to actually put baffles, put sound deadening behind the door panel, made the door solid, and this is ready to go. And like I said, there's hardware, actual custom hardware put in here, and that's the rear door panels in essence. Nothing complicated. Stay tuned for the fronts. This is just video one.